It's impossible not to watch a boulder breaker at work. What are you doing? There is no way on this earth you'd better split that in. There's no way. Well, she's got like literally, you've got a sledgehammer on a 200 million ton boulder. It's got metal spikes in there. It's like me trying to diet, it's never going to work. Is he seriously? It's literally doing nothing. Why'd you send me this stuff? Okay. Amazing viewing, yeah. I'm literally amazed of the fact that he's trying to do this. It's split. Is there a split on the top? How long has this been? If that splits, I swear, there's no way on this earth. Well, I know he's got safe. Are you actually? Look how knackered he is. That one's even bigger. There is no way, dude. This is incredible. Imagine you going to work and someone saying, "See that boulder over there, Jeff? Well, you've got to split it in half with a sledgehammer. Go on." 39 years later, in the SpongeBob voice. Dude, it's actually splitting. It's actually splitting. That's more like a mountain. This is so clever. Come on. Come on. Oh! That is incredible. I'm not even impressed with your boulder, mate. That's too small. Go bigger, mate. That is actually... I can't believe that last one. That is madness. He's very, very accurate. His accuracy is very good. There you go. Go on, mate. Go on, son! I'm gobsmacked. Thank you so much for sending me this. This is mad.